Crochet Master. Morris, the crochet.
Oh yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone watching me. Yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, that is Clippers with Z. And yes, we are located in Intinda, Minisas village, alongside Sunatu Road. Those ones who would want to get our services. And still we have a branch in Barrow City, and that is in Kamkuzi behind Bam petrol station. So if you want to get our services, you can always come at Hair by Clippers and you find all this. Yes, welcome to our channel, and today we are just going to do something that is very simple, and I'm going to give you some tips on this hairstyle. But first and foremost, the question that I will get here is, what am I using? The extension that I'm using. Yes, this is the Gina collection, and it is called a spring twist. You can also get it. Why I love it most, because it doesn't tangle at all. It's called spring twist from Gina collection. It doesn't tangle at all. And another thing is that whenever it grows, it keeps on the curls keeps on looking very good. So you can always repair it. Repairing, that is like you come back, we wash and we refill. You understand? We refill. Yes. So it is very protective and very easy to maintain, as long as you have this moisturized spray. And then what is good about it is you can always wash, and you can also swim. Yeah, it is very okay. So I would wish that you guys with soft hair, soft broken hairline, you can try to do this hairstyle, and by the time it grows more, you find like it starts looking like real natural hair. That's how it is. So I would like you guys to try it out and see how it is. So the tips that I'm going to give you here is that most of the times whenever we are doing like these afro hairstyles, there's some things that we need to look at. One is the forehead. The forehead is the most important thing. And next, the second one, we need to see like how we are trimming the afro, how we always trim it. Yes, so those are the two things that you can always focus on. Then the third one, you shouldn't always please the hairstylist. We always have to make sure that we tell our clients on how they can always maintain their hairstyles. Yes, you can tell them the spray they're supposed to use and how they're supposed to sleep. Sorry, because you find like most of our clients that even don't know what to put in the hair, how to maintain, how to keep it, and at the end of it all, the next time you find the hair is a mess, and yet it is some hair that would last for a very long time. So as you're going to see, this hairstyle, it's already looking nice. You can see how it is. It's already looking nice. I love the afro already. You can see how it looks. So to those ones that I know who have broken hairline and very soft, this can be the best for you. It can be the best for you, trust me. So let's continue and see how it is going to be. But quick reminder is that our online courses started already. So if you want to join, you're just going to click in the link. The link is in the description of www.hairbyclippersinstitute.com, and you will find all the courses just right there. Yes, so that's when you can see and you click, then you get your course that you'd want to do. Yes, I'm trying to make it very easy for you that you can learn and start doing it by yourself. So here, I know someone is going to ask, why am I adding the thread here? Yes, I realize that some people, whenever they do this kind of a hairstyle, they always add those ribbons to tie up here, and then they create that afro. So when you do the threading, it shapes it in a round way, in a because we have those people with round faces, so you need to try to pull the sides so that the face comes out, you understand? Because when it comes to afro, you will find that it's something that is round already. The hair is round, so if the hair is round and it is probably like on the face very round, like a round face, it will make it look very bigger. So what you do, you just have to pull the both sides, and then the shape makes itself. So this is why we always put the thread. But what you need to do is just try to sew it in there and it doesn't show. Some other people have this habit of leaving there the styling pins, but it's not good because we know this hairstyle is going to last for that long, so you don't need to leave the pins in someone's hair. So please, that is the reason why I'm doing this. So for now, let's see how this is going to look. But remember, our online courses is in there. Just go right in the comment section, click on that link. It will take you straight to the courses, and you choose what you need to style to learn. Yes, so let me sign out for now. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and may God bless you all.
He got the touch of a crochet master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, Maurice the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Maurice, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Maurice, your crochet master, Maurice, your crochet master, crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master, he's so good, yeah, yeah. Crochet master, ooh, ooh, ooh. need a little loving. Oh, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domuko no muko go bumani che kukora. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakuku kamo viri kati master. Makeup on a genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you a crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, Jangu. Crochet master. Maurice.